Nike Shox technology, first immortalized by Vince Carter's legendary 2000 Olympic dunk of death, continues its influence in 2025, remaining a staple in sneaker culture. Although Carter's old basketball silhouettes aren't returning, models like the Shox R4 and Shox TL dominate the modern scene, with the Shox Ride 2 beginning to rise. Among them, the Shox TL stays the highlight, now refreshed in the wolf gray colorway. This edition takes a different path from recent bold releases by focusing on a clean, layered mix of wolf gray and iron gray. Small but noticeable adjustments on TPU brackets and branding bring depth while maintaining a minimalist appeal. Priced at $180, the Nike Shox TL Wolf Gray is set to drop soon on Nike.com and select retailers, proving that even subtle design updates can command attention in today's streetwear.